Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to really solve the hiccups. This is a Lady H2O production, please subscribe. Okay guys, so the first thing you do is hold your breath. Then while you're holding your breath, you swallow and you count how many times you swallow, like this. Alright, by the time you get to 5, the hiccups should stop. But if you still have the hiccups, then keep going and keep checking after each one if you still have the hiccups. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a great thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more great life hacks. Thank you for watching. Bye.